भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। समस्त जनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Okay, is there anyone celebrating birthday? If you are celebrating your birthday, please come forward to do the Aarti. Manvi, come this side. We all join together and sing Gurudev's Aarti.
Om Shri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. Aarati Shri Chinmaya Sadguru ki Divya Rupa Murati Karuna ki Aarati Sadguru ki। चरणों में उनके शांति समाए, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरती सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया, शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्ध बारिकी तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे। भक्त हृदय आनंद शोध की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरती सद्गुरु की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की। आरती सद्गुरु की। बोलिए श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
At the beginning, there was only darkness. A cruel king ruled the land with a hand of iron. Under his tyranny, the people starved and the realm suffered. The poor souls prayed to the gods for help. It was answered by the mighty Valdor. In the earth's burning fires, he forged the dragon sword, and from his very breath, he created a man noble enough to wield it, the Dragon Warrior. He was the savior of the people of Assyria. Challenging the evil king to battle, he killed him. The grateful subjects crowned the warrior their new king. His reign lasted for 100 long years. However, his sons fought amongst themselves for who would claim the sword. Angered the dragon warrior hid the sword and the powder it contained deep inside a mountain. To guard it, he placed fearsome demons and magical enchantments. Only a man worthy enough would succeed. And so, after millennia, the sword has remained waiting for one such warrior.
Behold, people of Assyria, feast your eyes on the second bloodborn son of the old king, Thorian, the master of the dark arts and the conquistador of blood, our crown prince, Harlan Blackthorn!
As the crown prince of the land, do you pledge to serve your honor-bound allegiance to the throne as its new emperor?
O Mother Supreme, I, the master of the dark arts and the conquistador of blood, Harlan Blackthorn, pledge my undying and honor-bound allegiance to the throne and the folk of Assyria.
Then, with the stars and the gods as witness, seal your pledge with the blood oath.
O gods of the universe, bear witness to my blood oath and give me the honor and power to rule Assyria.
I now proclaim Prince Harlan as the new emperor.
Greetings, Mother Supreme.
Alaric, is that really you?
Oh, Matilda, you have not forgotten that I exist. I am moved. How is my little princess doing? Have you fed her enough lies about her father?
Alaric, don't make this any harder. If you wish to honor your child, you can take yourself and your wretched army out of this palace.
Seems quite ironic, doesn't it? The great Mother Supreme speaking about honor for one's child. I wonder, where was this honor when you decided to forget me? When I voyaged around the world to bring our family glory? Your silence doesn't answer my question. I challenge your crown prince to a duel to the death for the throne. Does he choose to accept?
Harlan, you don't have
do, brother. To the glory of gods themselves. Let's finish this off once and for all.
Alaric, let him go. All right, take the throne, but let him go.
So, now you know. Oh gods of the universe, bear witness to this ancient blood oath. Give me the power and honor to rule the folk of Assyria and beyond. I, King Alaric Dreadfury, the conqueror of the seven oceans, thereby seal this oath and declare myself the Emperor of Assyria.
The ministry is at your command, my lord.
There is a village down south with legends of an ancient power. It intrigues me. Gather more information about this village, especially about that power.
Right away, your highness.
And so, it begins. Woe, misty eye of the mountain below, keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over Durin sons.
And the boy entered the dark tunnel that seemed to eat him up. And as he walked, he went deeper and deeper and deeper until he came face to face with a huge fire-breathing dragon. "Stop, boy! What do you seek?" The dragon. You seem brave, but do you love your people? Are you worthy of becoming a dragon? Boy, for the love in your heart and the strength in your arms, I, the Dragon of Allegacia, declare you the mighty dragon warrior. Rise, rise and rule your kingdom.
I'll find the dragon and become the dragon warrior.
No way! I am going to be the dragon warrior.
Children, it's a day of celebration. Don't fight now.
Is it the same dragon from the stories?
Yes, he's the mighty dragon who gave us everything.
Landlord, can't a man find a drop to drink here? Morel!
Oh, young man, we have traveled a long way tonight. Stables for our horses, a soft bed, and warm bath for the rest of us would be welcome.
That depends on whether you swear loyalty to King Radion, just as the rest of us, or stand with the treacherous king, Alaric.
If you are loyal to our old king, you are welcome to rest under our roof.
Think again, landlord. We can pay handsomely for your services.
Only a man such as the new king would sell his loyalties so cheaply. Keep your coins, mister.
I've had enough of this place, filled with traitors. Out with them, I say. Out with the traitors. Out with the traitors. What?
People of Allegacia, the old king is dead. King Alaric rules now. Pledge your allegiance to him. If you rise in revolt, we will kill you. If you choose to disobey us, we shall burn your fields. If you even touch a sword, we will tear your village apart. You have one choice: kneel or die.
Hail King Alaric! Oh, mighty king, the realm is plagued by poverty, and we are starving to death. Please have mercy on your humble subjects.
The rain has been delayed yet again. The village has no water. What will happen to our fields?
So the fields are dry? Ha! Then let them burn.
The king has sent a message. Come quickly. Hurry! Hurry!
Year one, year all, for his campaigns in the south, His Highness, the King orders that the price of meat be raised to 15 pieces of silver. Furthermore, each family must henceforth contribute 2 able-bodied men to serve in the mines. This is the King's order to all in the realms. Year one, year all. Year one, year all.
We can barely pay the taxes. 15 pieces of silver? My family and I will starve. And why does the king send us to the mines?
We must rebel. It's the only way to save ourselves.
Of what use are wooden plows against iron pikes? How can sheep fight a lion? We are farmers, not warriors.
The sheep cannot, but the dragon can. Don't you see? The dragon warrior must rise now.
The old legends are only tales told to children. Mere stories passed down. There is no dragon and no dragon warrior. We are cursed to suffer under the king.
But there must be...
No! Let me go! Leave me!
Alvin,
Please.
I've caught this thief stealing from the palace kitchen. You better be able to pay for that, you thief.
Leave me! I have no silver! Please leave me!
And you know what the price for theft is, boy.
No! Please, no!
Oh, someone is being a hero. Do you have the silver to pay for that?
He doesn't. Filthy villager.
Know your place, oh boy.
Now where's that little thief gone?
Who cares? We had our fun, didn't we?
Leo, are you okay? Why did you help me? The guards, they could have killed you.
I can't just watch while the village burns. No matter what happens or what they'll do to us, we will never give up. You hear me?
Leo, did you find any... Oh God! Leo! What happened? Are you okay?
It's nothing. Nothing to worry about. Some guards were beating up a boy in the streets. I had to help.
Leo, your leg, it's bleeding.
It's just a scratch. I'm all right. How's mother?
Mother is fine. It's you that we're worried about. Every time you go out to find silver or get food, we're afraid that one day you'll never come back.
If you're done, could you bandage my wound, please? It's starting to hurt, just a bit. I know you're afraid. I know that you care. But these are tough times, Alyssa. Food is scarce, and I will not let our family starve. Even if it means standing up to a few guards. You know, they were going to cut off a little boy's hand in the village square. And no one did anything. Our people have lost hope. They don't deserve this. And I can't just sit around waiting for some miracle. I must do something.
You cannot save everyone, Leo.
And I cannot live knowing that I didn't try.
I understand, but I can't stand losing you.
Be brave, Alyssa. Be brave. We will get through this. Together.
I hope so, Leo. I really do. It's been a hard day. Let's go to bed now.
Going somewhere, Leo? You really should be more quiet, you know.
Mother, you're awake.
And how did I go well? If you hope to get past the guards, son.
Wait, how did you know?
I'm your mother, Leo. I know all about you. You never fell for that, did you? Okay, I admit it. I saw it in the Fortune Globe.
Mother, there is no food in the house. We have eaten nothing for 2 days. We must have silver if we are to buy bread. And I am going to steal it from the man who has looted everything from us, King Alaric.
Were you going to steal from him? Or was it something else? It isn't hunger that rules our hearts. It's fear. Go out. Look. Look into our people's hopeless eyes. They don't need your silver. All they need is a savior.
Mother, I've made up my mind. I shall not rest until King Alaric is dead. The Dread Furies are going to remember this for a long time.
Leo, my child, I see a fire in your heart. The Dread Furies may have an army, son, but you have courage and the will to fight. Of all the places, why did I have to end up in the dungeons? I must find the silver. I must get out of here quickly.
Finally, a visitor. Come in.
Who are you?
Me? I'm not sure I know.
Huh? What are you doing here?
Living life behind these wonderful bars. Just for the past 10 years.
10 years? Who did you murder?
Oh, I haven't got a spot of blood on my hands. Trust me.
Then, what did you do?
Same thing that you're about to. Stealing from the king.
How did you know?
A thief can always find a thief. If I'd had that damned dragon's powers.
Wait, did you say dragon's power?
Oh, now here is something interesting. Heard the prophecy, haven't you?
When the realm shall fall to such depth that the long night seems to have no end,
the mighty dragon Valdor shall choose a savior, the dragon warrior.
Good lord, who told you?
An old legend. That's what got me here.
Seriously? That's just a silly story. A fairy tale.
You don't know anything.
Okay then, where's the evidence?
Look right at the top of this map. Read it.
The dragon's lair.
Enough proof for you, kid.
This map is torn. Where's the rest of it?
In the king's own room.
How does he have it?
The dragon's power. That's what he seeks. The people in that village are fooling themselves, thinking that he wants their land.
Then we must save them.
Do I look like a person who cares, kid? Just get me out of here.
But there are guards everywhere.
I'll take care of them. Cut my ropes and run.
Okay, but this is risky.
Freedom feels so refreshing. Now, get out of here.
Okay now. Silver. Where are you? Too many guards. What now?
La 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 la. Miss me?
Ha! You think you can escape?
Oh, you missed me so much.
Men, after him!
Well, the coast is clear now. That silver's mine. Got you. Shh. I must be quiet. Don't want to alert any guards. Wait, what's this? It looks like some sort of ancient map. The legend of the Dragon Warrior. Oh, this must be the map that crazy old prisoner was talking about. The one that drove the king mad, huh? O seeker of fortune and power, follow this path to the Dragon Warrior. This leads to the mines in the north. That's why the king is sending the villagers. What if the prisoner's right? Does the king truly seek the dragon's power?
Halt! Who goes there?
Alyssa, look what I found. This could change every... Alyssa? What happened? Where's mother? No, not mother. She can't be.
Leo.
Alyssa, tell me that mother's not dead.
She was doing fine until last night. Something happened then. And when I called you in the morning, she was...
I'm going to kill him. And...
Leo? What?
It is because of that wretched Alaric that this happened. He is not going to live after tonight.
Leo, don't be stupid. Going there in this state? You'll get killed. We just lost Mother. And I can't lose you too.
Ah! Oh, Mother. Why? Why did you have to go?
You know, Mother wanted you to save the village from that tyrant. She always spoke about it, even till the very end.
What?
She was always fond of those stories she told us, especially the ones about the brave heroes.
It isn't hunger that rules our hearts, it's fear. Go out, look into our people's hopeless eyes. They don't need your silver, all they need is a savior.
Remember that one ancient tale of a village, Alyssa? The one about the legend of the dragon warrior.
You mean the tale of Valdor? And the fabled dragon power? But it's not real, is it? It's just a story, a myth.
Woe, misty eye of the mountain below. Keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over Durin sons.
That's the beauty of legends, Alyssa. Sometimes they come true.
Mother has said that, but how are you so sure?
I found a map in the king's palace. It leads directly to the dragon warrior.
You broke into the king's palace? Do you not see the danger? You could have been killed.
Now fear has no place in our hearts. This is what Mother wanted. To see Allegatia free from the cruel rule of King Alaric.
But what if something happens to you?
Nothing will happen to me. We must leave at once. The map says that the power of the dragon is hidden in the mountains of the north.
But Leo, this is our home. We can't just leave.
This is not home, Alyssa. This is hell. And King Alaric is the devil himself. Now, the dragon warrior is the only way to save our people.
It is only a matter of time before the king realizes that his map has been stolen. We must be long gone by then.
Mother always said that father was a great warrior. And this was his sword. Now we shall use it to save the village.
For the village.
For the village.
Our armies in the west are spread thinly, sire. We must send reinforcements at once.
Send a message to our allies there. Have them send out an army.
Yes, sire. It shall be done.
Sire, forgive me, but there was a break-in at the palace last night. A guard has just been found dead near the eastern wall.
Has anything been stolen?
We are still checking, sire, but until now, nothing. It is a strange theft indeed. A guard killed, but nothing stolen.
Very well. Search the village and find the thief.
Sire, there's news from the village. 2 villagers have fled northwards. They slipped past the night guard before dawn.
Alert the border patrol.
Yes, sire.
When you catch them, I want their bodies hung in the village square for all to see. A warning to those who dare.
Sire, the break-in and the escape.
Perhaps, General. But there is something else that requires our attention.
I'm at your service, my lord.
Something is missing that is quite valuable to me. A map.
The map? It may have been stolen last night.
General, this map is very important to our future. Take as many soldiers as you need. Bring the map and the villagers back to me.
Yes, sire. I shall not fail you.
Hurry up, Alyssa.
I'm going as fast as I can. Can we take a break now?
You know we can't, Alyssa. It isn't safe until we reach the mines.
Please, Leo. I can't go any further.
Fine. But only for a while, okay? The king's guards can't be far behind. You stay here. I'll go find some wood.
They aren't here, General. We should
Well them. They're miles north of us, General.
You heard him. Get moving.
Leo, remember the song Mother taught us? She used to sing it all the time.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Well. What do we have here? The brave brother and his sweet sister running from the cruel king, just like a fairy tale. Ha! Drop your sword, oh boy. This isn't a game.
I'm no boy.
But of course, boys can't kill men. And you have, haven't you?
I killed that man to protect my village.
And penalty for murder in this realm is death.
No! You can't do this! The king!
King shall hear what I tell him. Sire, we found the fugitives. The boy denied my lord's order and resisted capture. Sadly, we couldn't capture him alive.
No!
The king's guard looks after their own. And now they want blood for blood. Soldiers!
Alyssa, don't give up. Save the village.
No! Stop it! Please!
No, stop. I'll give you anything. Please.
You heard your brother pleading for his pathetic life. You should have stayed in the village. In this game, you either win or die.
General, the king is here. My king.
Sire, we could only capture the girl.
Finally, my lady, we come face to face. You and your Leo have given me a lot of trouble. But now, you are my captive. So tell me, why did you flee the village? Who broke into my palace? What do you know about the dragon warrior? Remaining silent, are we? I know you found the map, but that's not all. You know something about the dragon warrior that I don't. Something that is the key to finding him. And I swear that you will tell me. You will take me to the dragon.
No, I shall protect the village till my last breath.
General?
She is strong, sire. We have tried our way to get the truth out, but she has said nothing.
Very well then. Let's see how strong you are, girl. Guards, bring him in.
Please, sire. Have mercy. I have done you no harm.
Quiet, I say.
Child, is that really you? What?
Girl, hold your silence and this man dies. Tell us how to find the dragon warrior and he shall live. His life is in your hands. Choose.
1.
Stop it! Stop it!
2.
Please! Don't kill him!
3.
I'll show you the way!
Your word is my command, my lady. Take him away.
General, ready the king's guard. We shall march towards the mines tomorrow.
The night is still young, mates.
I'm getting tired, partner.
Boys, we are in for some luck today. I think we are done for the night.
Have a fine rest, gentlemen.
Man, I think I hear something in the bushes. We must investigate.
Where is Aldrin?
What do you want now? Get away from me!
Shh! It's me.
Leo? How? What?
I know it's a little hard to believe, but it's me. Now listen. As soon as I cut your chains, run.
Okay.
The girl. Back to the tent, now!
He's gone. Don't let them go far.
Stop this commotion. What is going on?
Sire, the kids, they escaped.
Escape? You had one job.
Do not waste time in scolding these witless worms, General. Take a troop of men. Follow them. Ha ha ha! It seems they want to play a game of catch.
My god. So this is what the map called the labyrinth.
Leo, are you sure you know the way?
Yes, I do. I know the map like the back of my hand. Trust me.
Do you think you could escape that easy?
Alyssa, you have to go to the dragon's chamber. Just remember, keep to the left-hand wall.
Leo.
Just go. I'll fight them off.
Nice try. But ultimately, that's just child's play. Guards, after her. I'll take the boy. And remember, I need the girl alive.
No! I'm not going to let this happen.
That's what reality tastes like, boy.
Don't you dare touch me! Ah!
You haven't lost your spirit, huh? Leo?
Leo? How do you know my name?
Because I gave it to you.
Dad?
My blade. You got this from home, didn't you?
Yeah. But you can't be serious.
I am, Leo. I was forced to make a choice. For the people. For the village. But I had to leave you behind.
Why? Why did you come back? We thought you're dead.
I couldn't, Leo. If I had to fulfill my mission, I had to remain silent.
Mission? What mission?
Your very mission. To kill that wretched Alaric.
Wait, really? Why did you join his army then?
Alyssa! Leo, come. We must split up. You take this road, I'll take the other one.
But Dad, we just...
Be strong, Leo. Your sister needs you.
Okay.
Oh, look, another treat.
Leo, you're here.
Alyssa, where are the guards now?
Oh, taken to a faraway land, my dear child. Would you like to join them?
How about I send you there instead? And that is for scaring my sister.
Leo! Wait! Where's the general?
He's not just the general, Alyssa. He's our dad.
Dad? Dad is dead, Leo.
That's what we thought. I didn't believe it either. But he had it. Right there on his arm. The mark of the Snowbanes.
Impossible! Where is he?
Searching for you in one of the other chambers. You know why he left?
Why?
Same as us. He could kill Alaric. He left so he could protect the village. Dad is a hero.
Leo, look,
Don't move! Ah!
Leo! Help me!
Alyssa!
Leave her alone! Come on, we need to move right now.
No.
Leo, we can't stay here.
Dad, take Alyssa and get out of here to find some help.
Leo, are you sure?
Wait! Where are you going?
Alyssa, look, Dad is going to take you out of here and find some help. I'm going to...
Leo! If you stay here any longer, those demons will eat you up!
Not if I have the power of the dragons. Don't worry, Alyssa. For the people, for Mom, and for Dad, I'm going.
Who dares disturb my slumber?
Wait!
You do not belong here.
Dragon! I'm Leo, son of...
You dare come here with your weak, mortal blood to claim Alagacia's greatest treasure. I have guarded the power of the dragon against false warriors since the beginning. And for 1,000 years, I have seen the greatest champions try and fail. But never have I sensed one as unworthy as you.
You don't know what I have lost. You don't know why I seek the dragon.
I know everything. You mortals are all the same, desperate for power.
No!
You think that you're worthy? You think that you're a warrior? You dishonor this place with your presence.
Stop, Valdor! You're right. I'm a weak, pathetic mortal. But I didn't come here because I thought I was worthy. I know I'm not.
Who are you?
I'm a nobody. I came here because I had no choice. I came to save my village and the people I love. I came because the dragon is their only hope. I came to set things right.
Impressive. No man has freed the sword from the Firestone in centuries. If you succeed, the power of the dragon shall be yours.
This one is for my village. Hail Alagacia! Ah! So this is the power of dragon. Thank you, Valdor.
Valdor? Valdor?
What's going on?
A long time ago, there was a dragon that held a mystical power. Men would venture across land and sea to have this power for themselves, to become the dragon warrior.
Don't step closer. Wait, Alaric.
But there was one small thing that all the bards missed out. In that dark, daunting cave was a tiny little demon.
You aren't Alaric, are you?
The little demon got big and strong, and one fine day, He killed the dragon.
No, that can't be.
All that remained was a sword. But that escaped his grasp. The demon needed a host. A willing human.
So you took his body, didn't you?
Convincing him was almost too easy. This strength, this energy. I've missed it.
But he was after the power of the dragon. He wouldn't let you.
Humans are just too easy to please. Promise them fame, money, a crown, and they all fall like flies.
I came here to fight the king, Alaric.
Kid! He cheated me!
Come on, Alaric, fight the demon.
Shut it! Now where were we? Oh yes, the power of the dragon. Give it to me.
I would rather die.
He's too strong. You have to kill him.
Be gone.
You humans never know when to quit, do you?
Nothing is working. Even the sword can't touch him.
When you rot here for long enough, even the blade fears you. He has a weak spot.
What? Where is it?
That's enough!
Alaric! I know you're in there. Tell me his weakness.
There's no Alaric, fool. He's dead. It is. It's his neck. Nowhere to run now, boy. It's over.
I don't need a sword to be a hero.
I will never. No! You wretched human! You filthy swine! You did it, little boy.
Alaric, why? Why did you let him in?
I was a fool, boy. The power. It was so tempting.
We need to get you out. You can't die like this.
No. I've decided. This is the end for me.
But what about the village?
They're all outside. Waiting for their king.
Then I have to get you out.
No. I was no king. I was a selfish tyrant. They need a hero. They need you.
Me? I'm no hero. I'm just a boy.
You are kind and you are fearless. That's all you need to be a king.
You're making a mistake.
Rule well, Leo Snowbane. Rule well.
Alaric! Alaric! No. Alaric, you may have lived a villain's life, but you died a hero's death. May your soul pass peacefully.
Dad, why is he taking so long?
He'll come, Alyssa. Have faith.
What was that?
Is that Leo? Leo! You're all right.
You made it, son. I knew you would.
Thank you, Dad. But this isn't over. People of Allegatia, I have news for you. Legend says that in this mountain lives a dragon.
Yes, of course. We hear about it every day.
That dragon, our dragon, is dead.
What? No way! Impossible!
In his place, there was a demon that sought the power of the dragon.
Is he serious? These are lies.
That very demon took a human body, the body of our dearest king.
How? That can't have happened. You're lying.
But in the darkest hour, He fought the demon, not with his sword, but with his spirit. He may have been a selfish king, a cruel tyrant, but in his last moments, he was no less than a hero.
The king is dead. Who will rule now?
The power of the dragon lies in one sword. This sword.
I told you, he was the chosen one.
The sword. He's the chosen one.
He is right. That means Leo. Leo's the king. King Leo.
King Leo! 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 King Leo!
Dad, this isn't right. You should be the king, not me.
No, son. This village needs a hero. It needs you.
Okay. Hear me, people of Allegatia. I do not know if I will rule well, but I do know this. Its people are my people. You are my people. I swear to you, I'll give my heart and soul for this village. Hail Allegatia!
Hail Allegatia! Hail Allegatia! Hail King Leo! Hail King Leo! Hail King Leo! Hail King Leo! Hail King Leo!
Are all the Vishwamitra people here? Even the 10th and 12th graders, please come up. Sports? No. Niche आओ. आ जाओ. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Firstly, the entire Vishwamitra house from 5th grade to 12th grade, even though 10th and 12th board exams got over, like pre-board exam, got over right today, all of them were there, and I'm so grateful to all the Vishwamitra house students, everyone. Special thanks to 11th and 9th grade. All of them were there throughout. All the juniors, you all were so cooperative. Thank you so much. Clap louder. Thank you.
Okay.
And one, actually, a lot of pillars we have in Vishwamitra House. They are our teachers. Thank you to all the teachers. All of them came on duties. And even though a lot of people who are there assigned for 10th and 12th also, all of them were just there. I'm so grateful for all the teachers, especially Shripal sir and Deepa ma'am. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Also, Ashwini ma'am for costumes. Last moment we had to run here and there for costume. Thank you so much. Last. Okay, and all the people who painted all the charts and outside chart, they took a lot of time, but it has come out so beautifully. Thanks to Vaidehi, Arav and Prachi. They were there throughout in that chart. And all the other houses who came and helped, we are so grateful for them. All the other houses, even though their masquerade is the next day, all of them came and helped. I'm so grateful. And we also wish them all the best for their masquerade. All three houses. Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys. So basically, this idea which came out right now was thought of 1 month ago. 1 month ago. And then since then, we changed 3 different ideas. So this idea, 1 month ago. Then the next idea got cancelled. Next idea got cancelled. The next one, we decided to we decided to do it, but then we cancelled ourselves. And finally, we came back to the one which we did 1 month ago. So out of everyone here, first I would like to thank Didi and Shanti ma'am for keeping up with that. I'm really sorry, but it's our first time. And the second people I would like to thank is all the 11th graders and 9th graders who had to keep up with my ideas, keep on coming, going, etc., etc. I don't know anyone who has that much willpower to take my ideas, do something with it, and make this out of it. And finally, the man, the myth, the legend, our dear Arun sir, the man behind the magic, the man behind the computer. Yeah, so today, before this, we had 0 run-throughs. The first run-through which we had, or you couldn't even call it a run-through, was today afternoon. We didn't even know if we could do it today. Then, the man came, the legend came, and he sorted everything out. He helped us a lot. So, thank you. I also thank him for... he came, okay, he gave us this thing. I would also like to thank him for keeping up with us in the recording room. We literally wasted 2 hours in the recording room doing literally nothing. We said the script was ready, we went inside, nothing happened, and I could see the anger on his face. He wanted to slap Dhriti over here, I don't know why. Okay? That's the second thing. Huh? Didi. Yeah, okay. Then, so today Didi also came, okay, because we didn't know we could do it. But then, by the grace of Gurudev, it all happened. Today the masquerade happened. So, So, I would like to thank Didi for coming today and blessing us with her blessings. Now, one person out of the entire Vishwamitra house I'd have to thank, without which this would not have happened. Saishav. That God of a man took it upon himself. Please come here, Saishav. He's coming. Yes. So, as you know, the tech wizard of our grade, our house, honestly, him and Akash. Where's Akash? Come. Okay? Both of these people took it upon themselves to complete the entirety of the BGMs for this masquerade. And both of them had to sit through late nights with Arun sir, early mornings with Arun sir, and they had to finish it. And this guy over here, more than BGMs, he was more of a moral support for us. So like, whenever me and Ramakrishna were having some fight, he used to come in and like, you shut up, I'm right. Okay? So he used to do that. Okay? Now, finally, the people at the dorms who are supporting us constantly, all the RHPs and RHMs of all the dorms, honestly, without their support, this could not have happened. I also apologize that we could not give the overnight laptop permissions beforehand, and we really thank you for allowing us for that to happen. And finally, all the house teachers, and especially our house master, Shripal sir. Is Shripal sir here? Yeah. So Shripal sir took care of this entire thing. Honestly, today he scolded me for not having conducted this properly. So I thank him for that a lot, because without that, this would not have happened. And one person, along with Chini Coach, took care of this entire props you see around here. That was because of Ramakrishna. Okay? So I have to give him a big round of thanks. Where's Ramakrishna? The demon. Finish?
Ramakrishna was generally so good throughout the thing, in the ideation, be it in the direction, be it in the prop list, be it in the costume list, everywhere. We are generally so grateful for him in the house. Thank you so much. And one thing, we have to thank the stores. Last moment we went and got everything, be it tape, ribbons, everything, chart papers, and also other houses. Last moment we had to ask for chart papers. You guys gave us. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so the spots, where the 10th graders, they came today in the afternoon. Please thank them also. They have their pre-boards, they came. They helped us with the spots. Okay? Yeah. No, last one. Now finally, one of my closest friends, he's Mridul. Where is he? Mridul? Yeah, he's over there. Please clap for him, I'll tell you. Please clap for him. Yeah, one second. Guys, so first of all, the entire idea from this masquerade came from one song. The song which I keep on singing wherever I go in this masquerade. That is the prayer song, okay? So that's actually from an actual song by Ed Sheeran. It's called Icy Fire, okay? And the first person who told me about that song was Mridul, okay? So without Mridul, none of this could have ever happened. And also, while we were going back, how do I say this? I was kind of tensed. I was anxious. I was hyperventilating. This never happened to me before in my life. And he came up to me, he spoke to me, and made everything all right. I was able to act today. Oh.
And the absolute last person, or the last group of people that we have to thank are our house captains. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? They're the people who have carried us throughout. They have ensured that everything has happened on time. Duties, lists, gathering everyone on time. So a big, big thank you to all of you.
And also, if you see the prop there, the cage, yeah, and this background here, it is a shared contribution of Vyasa and Vishwamitra House. So let's go, guys. And also the throne, we are having it with Vasishtha House. So thank you for all the houses. Generally, all of you were so good. And all the best for your masquerade.
Yeah.
You know, last 4 days, we are celebrating every evening. Do you agree with me? Yes, we have been celebrating all 4 evenings with wonderful presentation by all 4 houses. To be very frank, the track was very clear for all 4 houses. The background music was also very apt, very well chosen. At the same time, there was a lot of clarity in the sound also for all the tracks. So we really, really admire. Acting of all children was very, very good. I can really say it. Even the dances that was performed by all the 4 houses, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, well choreographed, well presented. And at the same time, the artwork also you can see. I can just say few of the things for different houses, what was very well appreciated. When we see Vishwamitra House, their stage backdrop chart, then the coffee art that they presented was very, very beautiful. Then at the same time, Monish and Prisha's acting, then the dragon prop that was brought in was very good. They also had lively dance. Adi Jain, Mahi, Ram Pranil, Ram Krishna's acting was absolutely beautiful in Vishwamitra House. When we go to Valmiki House, the starting itself was very joyful scene with which they started. Even Adityan's acting, Mehak, Dhriti, and the 2 creative screens that was put up and beautifully presented, that was also very creative, very beautiful. Vasishtha House, the story of destroying the ring was also well brought out. Hiya, Shubh, Neeraj, all 3 acted very well. Then today's Vyasa House was very, very, very lively presentation, I can say. Arnav Nair, Shreya Shruti, Nityam, Sai Hasini, all the 4 dances that were presented was also very lively, very beautiful presentation, all 4 houses. Tap for yourself, applaud for yourself. All of you applaud for yourself. Well presented. Now I call upon our dearest Shanti ma'am to award the best actor, best actress, promising actors and promising actress. Peter?
Hari Om. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the 4 houses thoroughly. Could enjoy the shows. As one thing very, very clear was, you can clap at the end so that you can hear what I have to say. Is that okay? Yeah, you can hold on for a few minutes. Fine, thank you. So you see, one thing was, all the 4 houses had very, very beautiful props that was really good. And the acting, whatever was done by the characters here were really, really good. Everybody did beautifully. Acting was very good. And one more thing that was very unique and beautiful was the dances that were included. The dancing was amazing, outstanding. The song that you had selected, the rhythm, the beat, all that was really, really very, very good. And another very important thing is that certain things we could pay attention to also we need to know. One was the first Vishwamitra House, the dialogues could not be heard at all. There was so much of jar, because you had used such a bass voice and the music, background music was so heavy we could not hear the dialogues. Please take care about it. Probably when you're recording you can ensure that the dialogues are heard properly. That's something very essential. And also one thing I felt was all 4 houses had gone for a lot of fighting and sticking with the sticks and the sword and the spear, all of that. Think little more, maybe you can come out with some innovative ways of lot of paint. I think the whole 4 houses had face painting, body painting, and all of that. Think about it, how innovative it, because somewhat looked little similar, so that could be thought how you can make it a little more innovative. Otherwise, it was all good. All of you did a very good, especially the Vyasa house today's and the yesterday's. It was very, very clear. Yes, good. Yeah, and one more thing is that both of them had chosen, the content is kind of, we know the stories, right? The Lord of Rings and the Alice in Wonderland, kind of. So it probably added to the show. That was very, very good. The way you presented it, the whole thing was really done very well. And one more thing I have to say is the involvement of juniors was very, very good. So many children participated, and I made it a point to be here for the 4 days, and I feel that I took that decision. It was a good decision to be with all of you to see the place. And every time a lot of creative, innovative things come out of these 4 days. That's the very purpose that we are doing. And a lot of other people who have worked, together. That Manasa, I was told, she had prepared a lot of work. Where's Manasa? Can you stand up, Manasa? Yes, let's give a round of applause to her. She had done a lot of work, I'm given to understand. And Saishav also. Where's Saishav? And anybody else? I don't know who else did a complete 4 days work. You can volunteer to stand up. Whose name are you calling? Vyom. Lok, please stand up, Lok. We can't go. Yeah. And I also. Who was the other one? Ishita, please stand up. Rishi. Okay, well done. Oh, Rishi. I got it as Ishika. But I have to make a very special mention of the. I think you yourself stand up, who all worked a lot. We can give a round of applause. Okay, everybody did a lot of work. All of you deserve a applause. Fine. That's okay. And I would like to make a very special mention of this little boy who acted well. He was outstanding. He did a fantastic job today. Stand up. Which class are you in? 8th grade. Well, you look like a 5th standard boy. Wonderful. Very, very good. That was very nice. Some more exercise. Okay, that was wonderful. Congratulations to all of you. Now you go ahead.
Okay, now Best Actor Award goes to Swamiji, please come. Please, Sash. For the boys, Bhaiya can give. Please come. Please come. So, Best Actor Award goes to? Best Actor goes to? Adityan Divakar. Please come forward, Adityan. Now, Best Actress Award goes to? According to us, Shreya Shruti Mishra. Please come forward. Actor, Best Promising Actor goes to Arnav. Please come forward. And Best Promising Actress Award goes to?
Oh, the Best Supporting Actress goes to Mahi.
Let's put our hands together for all these 4 wonderful actors and actresses. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aditya. Yeah, thank you. God bless you.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Bolo Radhe 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 Radhe.